All right, this video is about the Violet Flame of Transmutation. One of the most powerful things I've discovered over the years is the Violet Flame. The Violet Flame is a gift. It's an energetic gift. It's an energy that can come in and transmute the discordant energies within us. And anytime we have an illness or anything going on within us that's causing an imbalance, we can use this energy to transmute that back to the original perfection of who we are. So there's two different forms that I basically use this in. The first form is a full body invocation of the Violet Flame. And the way you do this is we invoke the Violet Flame. We're going to say we call upon the fifth dimensional frequencies of the Violet Flame of purification to blaze our energy in this dimension and in all dimensions, all space, and all time. And we ask the Violet Flame to blaze and transmute any and all discordant energies, cause, core, record, and effect back into the original divine perfection of our energies. And then we state, we blaze these energies now. So what I do is I use energy work to blaze and visualize and see. So I'll use a form where I bring this energy, where I breathe in and I exhale. And I see this energy blazing, all of my energy. I'm visualizing it in my mind like these flames, these violet flames are blazing and transmuting. And I do this process 7 times, 7 to 9 times usually, where I come up and I visualize this each time. Now when I get finished, I'm on that last one and I breathe out. On that last one, I make the statement, and so it is, and so it is, and so it is done. Within that statement of the universe, I'm saying that's the way it is. This is the way that I am. So that's the invocation for all of your energy, all of who you are, to bring all of who you are back into balance and harmony. Now also I used a focused energy. Let's say if I have something going on in my body. So if I have, let's say I have a pain here, just for example. And what I do is I put my hands over the area that I'm wanting to work with. And once again, anytime I put my hands on my body, I'm using it to flow energy through that area. And I'm also using it to feel, to sense, to know that location and put my awareness on it. And where my attention goes, my energy flows. So I'm flowing that energy to that location. Now what I'll say, I'll invoke the Violet Flame now. I'll say, I call upon the Violet Flame of the fifth dimensional frequencies of the Violet Flame to blaze this space underneath my hands in my body. And ask the Violet Flame to transmute any and all discordant energies within this space. Cause, core, record, and effect back into the original divine perfection of this space. I blaze these energies now. And then I'll breathe in and exhale. And as I'm exhaling, I see that energy blazing in that space. And I'll do that usually 7 to 9 times in that space. And then when I get completed, I'll say, and so it is, and so it is, and so it is done. So I've blazed that space in my body. So I'm blazing that space, I'm blazing the energies. So I'm sensing and I'm feeling within these, and I'm visualizing that Violet Flame. Very, very powerful. The other thing that I do with this is I state this verbally out loud to the universe. Anytime you state something vocally as well as thinking it and feeling those emotions, it adds more power behind what you're doing.